how you can remove people from image in Canva. Now let's get started. Okay, now the design is open. You have to click on the uploads, and from there you have to click on the image that you have uploaded in the Canva. As you can see, I'm clicking on this image, and now I will adjust the image. First, I will set it as the background. Okay, the image is set as a background here. Now click on image and then click on edit photo. And now click on magic eraser. Okay, now I'm enhancing the brush size. And now slowly drag on the person image whom you want to delete from the image. It's done. Now wait a bit. The person is removed now, but there is some lines visible. So again, click on it, drag it, and wait for it. And yeah, that's how the person is totally removed from the image. I will tell you about how you can create reflection in Canva. Now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Canva account, and from there you have to select the custom size. As you can see, there is written custom size button. So you have to click on the custom size, and from there you can manually write the width and height of your size. But I am using the Instagram post template size. Alright, the file is opened now. First, you have to go to elements, and there you have to write the orange. I'm writing it. And now click on photos and see all button from here. And you have to select the appropriate orange from here. I'm selecting this picture. Alright, now I'm adjusting it a bit according to my frame screen. Okay, this how you set now. Now I'm clicking on this icon and copying it, and now clicking this icon again and paste. And now I'm clicking on flip, and then I'm clicking on vertical flip. Alright, and that's how the image is flipped. Now I'm placing it according to the above image. You have to place it directly below the above image, so it will look like a reflection. Now click on the transparency icon and lower transparency. I'm doing it about 56. Okay, now I have to write here the orange gradient. There are so many gradients. Let me go to the all page first. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm choosing this first one from graphics, and now I will adjust it according to the screen. I'm moving it down a bit. Okay, now click on background and click on this background color, and from there select this color. And yep, that's how it's look like a reflection. I will tell you about how you can blur photo background in Canva. If you are struggling with it, then this video is definitely for you. Now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Canva account, and from there you have to create a custom size for your design. As you can see, there is written custom size, so you have to click on the custom size, and from there you can manually add width and height, and you can also use a suggested template as I'm using the Instagram post square design. Alright, the design is opened. Now you have to click on the upload from the left bar. Here click on uploads, and from there click on the image that you have uploaded here. The image is uploaded here, and now I'm adjusting the image according to the frame. Now click on the magic button from bottom right, and here you have to type blur. Okay, now click on this blur. Now I'm increasing the brush size to full and move the brush all over the frame to blur it. As you can see, the image is blurred now. Now I'm setting the intensity to high or maybe low. It's fine. Okay. Now go back. Alright, it's taking a time to get load. Now click on uploads again and upload this image again and click on edit photo and click on the background remover, and that's how the second image background is removed. Now place it to the top left and enhance it. How you can enhance your image from Canva. If you are struggling with it, then this video is definitely for you. Now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Canva account, and from there you have to create a custom size for your design. I'm choosing the custom size of Instagram. You can also add the width and height manually. Okay, the Canva file is opened now, as you can see. Now you have to click on the apps from the left bar. Click on apps and here write enhancer. Okay, now choose the first one, this one, click on it, and now click on open. It's taking a bit time, so you have to wait a bit. Okay, now you have to choose a file from your device, and I'm choosing a file from my download. Here I have downloaded an image. Okay, now click on enhance image. Here you again have to wait a bit when it's enhancing your image. Okay, the image is enhanced now. Now you have to click on the add design button. Here, click on this button and now scale it up a bit. As you can see, the image is already enhanced, and that's how you can enhance your image. I will tell you about how you can create perspective text effect in Canva. If you are struggling with it, then this video is definitely for you. Now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Canva account, and from there you have to create a custom size for your design. As you can see, there is written custom size, so you have to click on this button, and from there you can manually add the width and height of your design. I'm choosing this Instagram post square, which is 1080 to 1080 pixels. Alright, the file is opened now. From here you have to click on the element, and from there you have to write here square, or if you find it manually, so you can select here. It's taking a bit time. As you can see, there is already square available, so I have clicked on it, and now I'm enhancing it, the square, according to the screen size. Alright. Okay, now I'm locking it up. Alright, now I'm adding lines in diamond shape. As you can see, I'm writing here line, and now I'm taking this particular line and enhancing it according to the diamond shape. As you can see, the diamond shape is completed now. Now you have to click on the app. From there you have to select the text craft. As you can see, I'm writing here the text craft. Sorry, the type craft. Okay, you have to click on the type craft, this software, and now click on open. Okay, now you have to select the font first of all according to your interest. From there I am choosing this particular font. Yep, this one. Okay, now I'm choosing the outline, and now I'm changing the color, first the border color to the white. Okay, now I'm also changing the text color to white. Okay, from here I can adjust the shape according to my interest. First, I have to change the type F123 text to the perspective. So I'm scrolling upward. And here I'm changing the text to perspective. Okay, I have changed the text and now scroll it down. Now I will edit the perspective from here. I will try to make it look like a 3D effect. Okay, let me apply it so I can see how it looks. Click on the add element to the design. It's taking a bit time. Okay, it's applied now. Enhance it according to the screen. Okay, it's bit look not nice. So we can change
it and we can add more details to it. So let me add some more detail. I'm enhancing the size. I will also edit the corners of the text so that it will look like a building which is in a 3D form. Alright, I have updated. Now click on the update element and that's how the text is updated now. Now you can remove the lines that you have placed for the reference.
I will tell you about how to wrap text around the circles in Canva. Now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Canva account and from there you have to select the custom size. You can manually write width and height according to your interest. And you can also select the template size. As you can see that I am selecting the Instagram size, which is 1080 to 1080 pixels. The design is opened now. In elements, you have to write here the circle. As you can see, I am writing the circle here. I'm choosing this circle. Alright, now click on text and add a heading here. I'm writing here the text. Alright, now I'm adding another text which is around the circle. Let me also correct the size of it. Now I'm changing the font of it. Okay, now select both the text and in effect, you can see there is this effect shape. Now click on it and from there adjust the curve according to the circle and that's how it's adjusted. Now do the same thing with the below text. Okay, now I adjust it along the circle. If you are struggling with it and you don't know about it, then this video is definitely for you. Now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Canva account and from there you have to click on the plan and pricing. As you can see, it is written above and here you can see there is free plan, pro plan and teams plan. So we will go with the pro plan. You have to click on pro plan and from here you have to scroll it a bit down. From here, you can directly go to see Pro trial and you can also see prices. So we will first see some prices. Okay, there's two plans. One is monthly and one is yearly. In monthly, there are two plans, free and pro. Along with that, yearly also got free and pro plans. So we will go with the monthly pro plan. Okay, let me scroll it down a bit and click on the start your free pro trial. Okay, as you can see, it says monthly selected and the date and the price are already shown. So just simply click on the next button from here. Okay, now select the payment method. I'm selecting PayPal and click on get your free trial. It's taking a bit time, so you have to wait. Alright, the payment is done and I have gotten my account. You can invite your team, but I am clicking on maybe later. And from here, I will select the social media content and grow a business with the Crow Pro, and that's how. Okay, now click on got it button. And that's how my Canva Pro is active now. My account is activated. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. If something was unable to understand, then you can comment down below us, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and thumbs up button. Thank you.